As you approach the final stages of your pregnancy, it's completely natural to feel a mix of excitement and anxiety. Understanding the signs that labor is near can help you feel more prepared and at ease as you get closer to meeting your little one. 1. Baby dropping. Lightening. One of the earliest signs that labor is approaching is called lightening, which happens when your baby drops lower into your pelvis. This usually occurs a few weeks before labor, especially for first-time moms. You may notice that breathing becomes easier since your baby is no longer pressing against your diaphragm. However, at the same time, you might feel increased pelvic pressure and a more frequent urge to urinate. Before we continue, check out the link in the video description for the best essential products for your pregnancy and baby. 2. Increased vaginal discharge. Another key sign to watch for is an increase in vaginal discharge. As your body prepares for labor, the cervix begins to thin and dilate, which can cause a discharge of thick mucus. This mucus may be clear, slightly tinged with blood, or appear as the bloody show, signaling that labor could start soon. 3. Nesting instinct. Many women experience a sudden surge of energy and an intense urge to prepare their home for the baby. This is known as the nesting instinct. You may find yourself deep cleaning, organizing, and arranging every detail of the nursery. While this is a common sign that labor is nearing, try not to overexert yourself. It's important to conserve energy for labor. 4. Braxton Hicks versus real contractions. You've likely experienced Braxton Hicks contractions throughout your pregnancy. These are practice contractions that help prepare your body for labor. However, true labor contractions feel different. They become stronger, longer, and more regular. Unlike Braxton Hicks, real contractions do not go away with movement or hydration and will intensify over time. When this happens, labor has officially begun. 5. Back pain and menstrual-like cramps. Many women experience lower back pain and cramping in the hours or days leading up to labor. These cramps often feel similar to menstrual cramps and may radiate from the lower back to the front of the body. This discomfort is a natural indication that your body is preparing for the hard work of labor. 6. Diarrhea or loose bowels. A sudden bout of diarrhea or loose stools can be another sign that labor is approaching. Your body naturally clears itself out to create more space for the baby's descent. While this can be uncomfortable, it's a natural process and nothing to worry about. 7. Water breaking. One of the most well-known signs of labor is water breaking. This is when the amniotic sac ruptures, releasing the fluids surrounding your baby. Some women experience a dramatic gush, while others may notice a slow trickle. If your water breaks, it's time to call your healthcare provider, as labor is likely imminent. However, keep in mind that many women go into labor before their water actually breaks. 8. Cervical dilation and effacement. As labor approaches, your cervix begins to dilate, open, and efface, thin out, to allow the baby to pass through the birth canal. Your healthcare provider will check your cervix during prenatal visits to monitor your progress. While this is a clear sign that labor is near, dilation and effacement can occur gradually, sometimes over days or even weeks before active labor begins. 9. Restlessness and trouble sleeping. Many women report feeling restless and unable to sleep in the days leading up to labor. Whether it's due to physical discomfort, anticipation, or hormonal changes, difficulty sleeping can be a sign that labor is near. Try to rest whenever possible and stay hydrated to keep your energy levels up for the big day. 10. Emotional and mood shifts. A sudden emotional shift is another common sign of approaching labor. You may feel more emotional, sensitive, or even a little anxious. This is completely normal as your body and mind prepare for the transition into motherhood. Surround yourself with supportive people, and don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider if you feel overwhelmed. Get ready for the most special moment of your life. Labor can be unpredictable, but recognizing these signs will help you feel more confident and prepared. If you notice any of these symptoms, make sure your hospital bag is packed and stay in close contact with your healthcare provider. Every pregnancy is unique, and labor can start at any time, so trust your instincts and remain calm. You're one step closer to meeting your baby. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more pregnancy and motherhood content.